Infertility is a growing global concern, and millions of couples rely on procedures like the in vitro fertilization procedure to achieve their dream of parenthood. This is where I'm trying to do something. And before I get on to what I do, I'll give you a little brief. So, this procedure is financially, emotionally, and physically draining, costing around $30,000 to $40,000 per cycle, and success rates hovering in the range of 25 to 45% after the embryo transfer stage. That means each couple goes through multiple rounds of IVF even before they are successful, escalating cost and the emotional toil. Now, a critical factor that determines a success in an IVF procedure is the embryo transfer stage, which is the last and the final stage, where the embryo gets implanted into an uterus. This is a very delicate procedure, and even minor misalignments during this procedure reduces the chance of success by a great margin. Now, even with all the technological advancements that has happened, the current techniques rely on generalized tools that do not account for the anatomical differences between patients, leading to a lot of variability in success and causing a lot of lack in lack in precision, leading to a lot of variability. This is where my research steps in. Clearly, there is no room for personalization. So, what I'm trying to do is develop an immersive virtual design environment wherein we take in pelvic CT scan of the female and visualize it on a VR environment, customize the catheter for that particular patient, thereby reducing the number of cycles that the patient has to go through, thus improving the success rates. Surgeons will be able to simulate and tailor the embryo transfer process and design a custom catheter for each patient and do all of the visualization even before going into the actual procedure. What this does is reduce the number of cycles that each patient have to go through before they achieve success. What this means is the cost and the emotional burden to go through all of these processes is greatly reduced. So, by incorporating this technique, we aim to improve IVF success rate by reducing the number of cycles required for success and to give happiness and hope to a lot of dreaming parents from around the world.